If you need to block someone on Stripe, whether it's a user or a fraudulent account, follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by visiting the Stripe website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with the individual you wish to block. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your transactions, customers, and account settings. Step 3. Find the user or account. In the dashboard, locate the section for customers or users. Use the search function to find a specific individual or account you want to block. Step 4. Access account details. Click on the account or user profile to view their details. This will provide you with options related to that specific account, including actions you can take. Step 5. Block the user. Look for an option to block or disable the account. Confirm your choice when prompted. This action will prevent the user from making any further transactions or accessing your services. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Stripe and maintain the integrity of your account. Always ensure to monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity.